Get ready to experience the Outer Banks oceanfront like never before at 3303 South Virginia Dare Trail in Nags Head, also known as the Lazy Lizard. Hi, I'm Heather Sakers with Coldwell Banker Seaside Realty, and today we're taking a closer look at this recently renovated 9-bedroom oceanfront retreat that blends modern amenities with coastal charm. Let's take a closer look. The top level is a showstopper, offering an expansive living space where panoramic ocean views greet you at every turn. Entertaining is a breeze in this grand space with shiplap wall accents, tons of seating, and a gas fireplace to enjoy cozy evenings with friends and family. The kitchen is equipped with everything you need to whip up gourmet meals. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or preparing a casual beachside picnic, this kitchen has you covered. You can't beat making breakfast to the oceanside sunrise and cooking dinner with a soundside sunset view. The property is designed with 9 beautifully appointed bedrooms where plush bedding and serene ocean views ensure a restful night's sleep. With plenty of space for everyone, including 6 primary bedrooms with private ensuite baths, this property is perfect for large families or group getaways. Step into the ultimate entertainment hub at ground level where fun and relaxation collide in this spacious game room where you can challenge your friends to a game of foosball, showcase your skills at the pool table, or entertain at the wet bar. The fun continues outside where you can take a refreshing dip in your heated private pool, soak up the sun on the spacious deck, or unwind in the hot tub. With a private direct beach access and dune top deck just steps away, this property offers the perfect setting for unforgettable moments with family and friends. You can even end the night roasting marshmallows or stargazing around the new wood-burning fire pit area. Situated at milepost 11.5 in Nags Head, close to endless Outer Banks classics including Tortugas Lie, Bonnet Street Beach Access, Dowdy Park, Lucky 12 Tavern, the Nags Head Pier, Surf and Spoon, and Jockey's Ridge, this location could not be more perfect. Not to mention a 9.3% gross rental return based on owner gross rentals, this is also a smart turnkey oceanfront investment opportunity. Don't miss your chance to own this piece of paradise on the Outer Banks. Contact me today to learn more about this oceanfront investment opportunity.